Along with several confirmations of its remarkable new features, we now have our first actual glimpse at the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So, as our first post of the day, before we go on to the announcement of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, we have some good news for those of you who desire a larger screen on your iPhone. Apple is working on a solution. Although it's a little early to discuss this information, Ross Young is incredibly accurate when it comes to display leaks, as he has repeatedly shown. According to his most recent tweet, the iPhone 16 Pro will be 6.2 inches in size and the 16 Pro Max will be 6.8 inches, making them both 0.1 inches larger than their predecessors. Next, we have information from Unknowns21 who has verified that the periscope lens will only be available on the iPhone 15 Pro Max this year and won't be available on the iPhone 15 Pro. Now the iPhone 15 Pro Max will include a periscope lens with an optical zoom of 5 to 6 times, which is a smart addition and an upgrade above the 3 times zoom of the previous model, according to Ming-Chi Kuo, who also corroborated this in a report. The larger optical range and digital cropping technologies not only enable us to take excellent images at up to 6 times zoom, but they will also enhance the quality of the photos taken at 12 times zoom. Next, we have more incredible news. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will have the thinnest bezel ever seen on an iPhone. Reliable Licorice Universe shared a photo of the screen protector for the iPhone 15 Pro Max along with a rendering of what the device will look like. As you can see, both are much thinner than the previous models. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will also feature a bezel that is somewhat curved, much like the Apple Watch, and I must admit that I believe this gives the device a lot more expensive appearance. There's no getting around the fact that the 15 Pro Max resembles its predecessor quite a bit, but at least the design has been improved, and will also get a bigger, brighter display on top of that. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.